Hi Aquarius, what's up? Welcome to your reading. I'm back with another reading for the future of your connection. Let's see, this is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What is the future of your connection from the 1st to the 15th of December 2021? It is a general reading, guys, may or may not resonate. If you need a personal reading, you can DM me on Instagram at Tarot with Nemo, or you can email me on tarotwithnemo@gmail.com. Let's see. Feel free to switch the energies, vice versa. All right. Could be your energy, could be the person you're dealing with, or a mix of both. Okay. Aquarius. What's going on in your connection from the 1st to the 15th of December 2021? This is for Aquarius. This is for Aquarius from the 1st to the 15th of December 2021. What is the future of the connection? All right. Let's see. In the current situation, what's influencing this? Okay. What's on your mind? All right. Overall, whereas we have the Five of Wands here, so there's a lot of conflict here going on. Maybe there's fight between you and the person you're dealing with, or there's just internal conflict here. Okay, someone's very conflicted about wanting to reach out to you and express how they feel here. This person here is in two minds. Either they're juggling between you and another person here, or this person is just in two minds about wanting to tell you how they really feel about you, wanting to express their love, wanting to be generous and telling you, just expressing their romantic feelings here. Okay, this person here could be someone who procrastinates a lot, which they're still doing here. I think I think you block them out here. So this person here probably, I'm so sorry, guys, you weren't being able to see the cards. This person here could be someone here, who probably was not taking a risk with you, okay, or was not expressing, or was not probably committing to you. They could be someone non-committal here, and you probably chose to take a leap of faith and move ahead. Okay, so I feel that there was a new beginning here, but I think you chose to move ahead on your own here because you guys were just not on the same page here. Now you've blocked them on your mind, you've blocked them out completely. Okay, you could have energetically blocked them off, or you could have just blocked them on social media. But yeah, you're just trying to stay away from this person, and you're just like, back off. Why? Because in your heart space you want commitment. Okay, if you're married to this person here, you probably want to stay married to them. If you haven't if you're not in a marriage with them, then you want commitment, you want something grounded, something practical, something stable out here. Now in the future here, I do see the world here, which means that something's going to coming to an end here. I feel that this person here, if they keep juggling, right, then eventually you will end things with them. What's the word? Yeah. I think it's going to take a lot of courage for you to close off this cycle with this person here, but eventually, Aquarius, you're going to end a cycle with them. You're going to close a chapter with them because this person can keep juggling forever. Okay. But you are moving towards a positive direction. Okay. Is what I'm getting here. Okay. And I think you're going to just hold back from this person. No matter how much strength and courage it takes, you're just going to be brave enough to let this cycle go, to let this cycle, toxic cycle, end here, moving towards a better future here, and you're going to just turn your back towards this person in the future here. Yeah, because this person here just keeps going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. They're so indecisive. They're still coming in unstable. Okay, still coming in with no stability and security here. What's the Two of Pentacles? Yeah, see, because they're stuck in their head, right? This person here does not know what they want. Either they are stuck in another karmic situation, okay, and they can't get out of it, or they are too burdened by other people's responsibilities, or they are stuck in their own negative zone. Okay, like, oh, I don't think it's possible, I don't think Aquarius will take me back, I don't think it's going to work out with Aquarius. Whatever, the love is there, but what's the point, right, if it's not expressed here, which is why you're choosing to end it with them. uh, let's see. uh, what is the outcome for Aquarius and the person they're dealing with? What is the future of the connection for Aquarius and the person they're dealing with from the 1st to the 15th of December 2021? What is the future of the connection? What is the future of the connection for Aquarius and the person they're dealing with from the 1st to the 15th of December 2021, please? Okay. Okay, so I do feel that you're going to get an email or a message or text from this person out here, okay? And it's going to be like something very important, very significant here. I do feel that this person will reach out to you, okay? Because this is definitely leading to emotions, love, romance. Take it how it resonates here. But I do feel here that there is going to be some kind of communication that's going to come in towards you, okay? From the 1st to the 15th here, whatever the communication is going to be, it's going to be something very important here. Maybe this person wants a relationship with you here. Okay, let's take two more cards. Okay, so there are chances here that things may end between you both. Like I said, right, things will end kind of, like end very slowly here. Okay, something will be put to rest here. So I do feel here, because it's a lot of unknown feelings here, right? So I feel that whatever the message comes in, right, although the love is there, like I said, the love is there. Okay, we do see love here, we see emotions here, we see romance here, we see happiness here. So whatever significant communication comes in about this love connection that you have with them, right, is going to lead to a lot of indecisiveness, okay, because you're dealing with someone here who probably is very on and off, okay, someone here who just temporarily comes in and out of your life, which we told you with the Knight of Cups also, someone here who wants to express how they feel, but you're just going to be that unknown here. It's just going to cause you even more confusion here, and there are chances you will end the cycle with them, okay, you're just closing the chapter, you're probably getting your closure here, where this person probably does the same shit different day, okay. Yeah, so I do feel you're going to end things with them here. And it's probably, it's not going to be drastically cutting it off, but it's just like, like slowly, the situation is slowly going to die. And you're going to probably just move towards a new beginning here. Okay. That's what Lenormand says. But so that's what I have for your queries. Hope this reading resonates, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.